Sementara itu, pelatih baru PSM Tomas Trucha angkat suara perihal dirinya yang mau melatih tim Juku Eja. Trucha bilang kehadirannya di klub kebanggaan masyarakat Sulawesi Selatan ini sebagai kesempatan dan juga tantangan untuk membawa perubahan.
It's about the project. When I first talked to Pagrafi, when I talked to the officials, they explained me what is the project about. The project is about to push the team up because results are not the best. Project is to promote young players, which always PSM Makassar had, because academy here is one of the best. They are always producing good players, and I always like to work with young players. If you check in the history, I will tell you one name is Patrick Schick. Patrick Schick in Leverkusen, which was 19 years old. Sparta Prague did not want him, so he came to club where I was working, and after 1 year he was transferred to Serie A. Then he went to Italy, to big clubs, AS Rome, and so on. So we are here to push this club up. We are here to assess all players which are here. They have now new start, new line, and I see a lot of potential. I think I don't need to speak about history of this club. I think everybody knows history of this club. I think I don't need to tell you how big this club is, and this club is big. I believe that everything what we need for our work, we have. You can always have 4-star, 5-star training center, and you can have you can have 55 technical team members. But what I see, what you have here, it's a good start. There are big plans. There are big plans how to make this club better. I think you also know that we are playing in Pare. We are not only here in Makassar, but we need to travel. But the people are working hard to come back and to have the conditions better than we have. But for now, what I see, it's good for our work. I always believe to hard work. I always believe to the teamwork. I also believe when you have good young players, is the future of the club. So this is part of the project. So.